I ordered these hair wefts from Amazon, and I've been on Ibrance, which is a type of chemotherapy oral that I take. And it hasn't like made me go bald or anything, but my hair thinned a little. And this is I'm gonna try to do like this side, but over here. Okay, so, and I have a little clippy here to make sure that this side doesn't. But anyways, I got these pink hair wefts. Pink for breast cancer awareness or whatever, but also because pink. So, I've been on Ibrance for like 2.5 years, and how you use these, they come like clips. And you know, like that to open them. And then what I do is I kind of, for this particular thing, I hold it kind of upside down and I clip it in and let it hang that way. And then I grab another one and straighten it out. Open it with the clippy thing. My hair this way. And clip it in. And it snaps. And then I let some hair down this side. And I think each side is 5 or 6 wefts. So, so then, this up here. And then I have like 3 of these left. Let's see here. Also, I got new boots. I'll have to show you in a minute. They're awesome boots. And I went to Who Hot and walked in, and the waitress right away was like, "Cool boots," before the door was even closed. That makes you feel good. "Where'd you get them? What are they?" I'm like, "I just got them on Amazon." So I'll leave a link below to my cool new pink Amazon boots. Anyway, okay, straightening the weft. Opening it. And then let me let a little more hair down. We have, I think, 2 more. And yeah, let's see. So I'm just getting over a cold I got from Jerry. He got at work. It's the first cold I've had since starting Ibrance. And I was terrified of getting sick. But now the cold is almost gone. And I don't, I'm not as afraid now of getting sick as I used to be. But I'm in week 3 of chemo, so I'm kind of tired right now. But anyway, okay, last weft. And then I go like in the back here, on top of other wefts, I guess. And I clipped it in and let this down, but that's okay, it won't really show, because then, now here's the tricky part, making sure I don't get the other side mixed in with this side. But to get it all kind of smoothly into the ponytail. Now there are some chicks on YouTube I've seen doing tutorials on how to braid your wefts into your hair and all these different looks where the wefts really aren't noticeable because they have them dyed specifically to their hair color. But I've wanted to do this since I was, I don't know, like 15. And I'm 50 now, so I still want to do it, and I figure, why not? And then, alright, so here's the magic part, is this clippy hair, clippy claw clippy that you put here and secure it. Even if it means securing some metal pieces, and when you bring this back, you bring it kind of, oops, I did it wrong. I have to include the, no, not, I have to feel my way around. Okay. And then I'll work on evening these out on the sides here, but you get it pretty sturdy, and it stays in there, and they're pretty sturdy. That, and I also recently just found this, my husband got for me on our anniversary a while back, and I found it on our anniversary this year, pretty much to the day. And it's rose gold and white gold and these little diamonds in it. Make this little sound. I love it. Anyway, and new boots. So, yeah, awesome new boots. Check these out. I want to get some charms for my boots. And there's a zipper in the back. These are from Amazon. So, anyway, all right. So, that's my pink for the day. Bye. All right, then this, every time I use these wefts, a little bit, there's a little chunkiness that comes out of the pack. This is like 6 of them. So I undid this side of my hair, and then I left this side to show you how easy it is to take these out. So this is like $5 wefts though, and I'm going to leave a link, but I'm very inspired by Emily Susanah, her channel. She does hair, she's been doing hair wefts since she was like a kid. She was kind of a trendsetter at like 13, 14 years old. So anyways, she's been doing this for a long time, and I just really have I just went ahead and did it because I was inspired by her, just to go ahead and just, well, it doesn't look like, at least I don't have to sew these, so that's kind of nice. Anyway, so let me show you, let me pause for a minute and I'll come back and show you. It's been about 3.5 hours now since I put these wefts in, and it's still solid. It would stay, I think. I haven't clamped them really much since I made that last part of that last video. So anyway, so this is in, it wants to stay, and I occasionally have had to like readjust it because these clips are kind of wild, I suppose. They're butterfly clips, these clips. I'll leave a link to them down below. But anyway, when you want to remove, if you decide to do this, if you want to remove your wefts, I remove, okay, so I take out, I probably did that all wrong. Anybody that dresses hair is probably like, ooh, she did that wrong. But I take out my little elastic. This is all cloth, so I don't hopefully break my hair. And then I just open them up, and usually one hand is enough. If I get tangly, it's okay. All right. So, did I close it, I guess? Oh, I tried taking that out without really fully opening it. Okay. Don't do that. Anyway, these are so much fun to wear. They were pretty comfortable. I didn't feel them pulling or anything really until taking this out a little bit, obviously. These, every time I pull them out, this happens as I'm straightening them. So clumps of this do come out, just so you're aware of that. But these, that's why I waited to buy these. This is synthetic hair. These were $5.99, I think, like that, on sale. So I didn't pay full price. I waited until they were on sale because I suspected these would kind of be, I don't know, what is known as cheap fashion or fast fashion. That you might consider disposable. But in their defense, I've French braided them. I've put them in ponytails. This time I hung them upside down and put them in pigtails. So they've taken some abuse already. I haven't curled them. I haven't washed them. And really, I think the best way to keep them in my hair has been to, well, I don't wash my hair every day. I only wash my hair like once, maybe twice a week. So that's just to keep the natural oils in my hair, keep it soft, keep it as shiny as possible. So I don't wash with soap all the time on my skin either. And that's because I've had a lot of dry skin issues and dry nail issues, which I have some before and after nails to show, which have to do with cuticle oil, and I think also using gel products on my nails. So I've had some improvement over the last month or so. A little over a month. So anyway, what I'm doing is I'm just smoothing this out before I put them on the clip and put them away. And then once there's no more in my hair, there we go. Then I show you how to store them real quick. That's not a long process at all. I just want to make sure that I'm not storing them with knots in them. So, and because they're synthetic, I'm just trying to run my fingers through them rather than actually combing them, because I'm trying to be very gentle. They're kind of fragile. Like I said, they're sort of cheap. Alright, I think that, yep, this is it. I think this is the last one. He's nodding. Okay. My husband is behind the camera. Thank you for helping Jerry. I appreciate this. So, there's the hair weft. If I was more professional, I would cut these to be more, like, I would get layers and stuff. Yeah, so, anyway. But nothing too fancy here. This is just, this is all just my hair now. And then, actually, wait. I got this. That's the one. Okay, so this is 6 wefts, I believe. I had 6 in each ponytail. So I take, oops, don't fall. So I take these, and once I try to get them facing the right direction. Oh my gosh. I'm going to end up... Well, when I got them, I thought they'll be either really fun or a spectacular fail. And so far, they've been really fun. This, despite whatever this looks like. Alright. I'm not drunk or anything. I swear I'm sober. Alright. How Emily does this. Okay. Alright. So, I've been learning up, nails and stuff lately. I feel like I need, 5 hands for everything. So, okay. I've got them all facing one direction. I've got them relatively untangled for the most part. No big clumps falling out anymore. Okay, so we're doing all right. And then what I do is take a claw, that's just a clippy claw for hair. I claw them like that. And then any additional tangles I've got, I just go through this. All right. And again, this is I'm getting a lot of this fairy floss. This synthetic hair comes out, you know, but again, that's after multiple uses and so forth. So I think these I'm getting more uses out of because I was playing with them so much last night and, you know, trying them out. And I didn't, like I said, I haven't curled them. I haven't used any hairspray with them. I don't typically use product in my hair other than I shampoo it once a week or so and condition it once or twice. And that's about it for, you know, as far as any products I put in my hair. Anything else gets, you know, then I would probably wash that out. I don't use curling irons. I don't use anything kind of hot in my hair. I don't use blow dryers. I let my hair air dry. So, I use a comb in the shower to comb conditioner through my hair. And then I rinse that off before I rinse my hair, or rinse the comb out. So anyway, here we go. And then this, I just have an old Walmart hanger, whatever this is from, and I hang it in a closet until I want to play with it again. And so, for my money's worth, I'd say this was worth $6. The shipping was free. So, yay, fun! I got to play with long pink hair, and they match my boots, and I had a lot of fun. So, that's, I'd say, 8 out of 10 worth the money that I spent for it, all things considered. So, thumbs up. For more information about hair wefts, I'm going to link below to Emily Susanah's YouTube channel. I think that she has so much more information and experience with these things than I have. So she's a very helpful YouTuber. I hope you enjoy her videos as much as I have. Also, I wanted to take this time to show you the difference I've had in my manicures. So these are before and after pictures. I've been using the cuticle oil. I'm going to leave the link to that video. That's a video from Simply Nailogical. Her name is Christine, and she has a recipe for making your own really inexpensive cuticle oil, just using jojoba oil with vitamin E oil, and then I used a little bit of my own essential oils for fragrances, like mine is patchouli vanilla. So anyways, those are the thoughts of the day. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them below in the comments section. Also, please feel free to like, share, subscribe this video if you enjoy what you've seen. And lastly, most importantly, please be kind to yourself and others. Bye!